Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 10th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. You know, we had about positive $4,000 on the close yesterday, and I was pretty up about that. 9 positions. We got into today, and the Dow dived 268 points, you know, and it doesn't make any difference if you have positive equity. If the Dow dives 268 points, you're not going to do too well with 9 positions exiting toward the end of the day. And yeah, we got slammed. We dropped about another $9,000 in closed out trades, and you know, this is, I'm looking at the calendar. It's December 10th. And we have yet to have a single winning day. I mean, not even a day where we made $100. No, every day is negative. And, you know, we got a couple days negative 19,000, and then today negative 9,000. This is not good, folks. Now, the only thing I laugh a little bit about is the Dow really collapsed today, 268 points, and boy, we need that. And so what's happening is we're getting set up for a turnaround day, and we could recover a lot of money very quickly when that happens. And I see that coming up fairly soon, but we had to dump everything today, and I like to see the Dow drop 268 points, but I don't like to see that happen when we're holding 9 positions. It would be nice to be holding 1 or 2 maybe, but 9 positions, yeah, we're going to get hit pretty bad. We are carrying negative $940 going into tomorrow. I'm not going to worry too much about that, and I would really like to see the Dow go down some more and not do a bounce. You know, a little bounce here gets us into a few things, and then it goes down for another big drop. You know, it's dropping. It's going to go down pretty low now. I mean, we're going to see a little correction here, I'm sure. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see how we've come off this all-time high 4 days ago, and big drop yesterday, did come back, and of course it's this bounce yesterday that got us into the positions we got into, and then today, rather than any follow-through on that, it just really collapsed and all the way down here, and it's closing, you know, fairly close to its low today. So you know, down 268 points. I would be surprised if it does not follow through tomorrow to the downside, but God, I don't know. You know, what I don't want to see tomorrow is it do a little bounce here, because that's just going to get us into stuff, and this market is definitely going lower than where it closed today. I want to show you a couple trades today. Let's start, and I'll show you just the disaster that was caused by what happened today when we already got positions. This is Westmoreland Coal, WLB, and I showed you this chart yesterday. You know, we got into it, and we're holding, I think, if my memory serves me right, about $2,500 on this thing on the close yesterday, and it comes in almost unchanged on the open. So we still have this money right on the open, and then it you know, dives, tries to recover. You know, if we were discretionary traders, we had a second chance to get out of this with a profit, and then it just really falls apart. So we go from being positive $2,500 on this to be closing out negative $1,500. So you know, about a $5,000 swing there. Very nasty. Believe it or not, amid all this disaster, we had a decent trade. And this is an NBIX. That's Neuroscene Biosciences, I believe. And we bought this today, got into it today, and it just kept going. It was just like totally ignored all this bad stuff that was happening in the other markets. And we are holding over $3,000 in Neuroscene Biosciences. That's what's supporting our open trade equity. We're still negative $940, but we would be a lot more negative if it wasn't for NBIX. So very happy for this one single decent trade of the day. Anyway, bad day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.